Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start the video. I am using my Too Faced primer from Hangover. I am super obsessed with this. I have pores on my cheeks area, on my forehead. I just like to close those up so my makeup doesn't really make me break out too much. And for my foundation, I'm going to be using my CoverGirl's Vitalis. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right, the Healthy Elixir, and I'm using it in the color Nude Beige. And if you're wondering about the dark foundation spots on my face, I am actually using my LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation because I felt like my CoverGirl foundation was just a little bit too light for my face. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend those two foundations together with my beauty blender. And I just like using this technique a little bit more better than my brushes because I felt like I can pretty much get full coverage over my face with the beauty blender and also get into hard corners in my eyes so that all my foundation is all the way blended throughout my face. For eyes, I'm going to be using my NYX Got You Covered Concealer, and this is actually in the color medium. I love putting concealer on my eyes, especially when I'm doing a high pigmented makeup tutorial. So this is very important, especially when you want your eyeshadow to really pop out. For eyes again today, I'm going to be using my Profusion eye palette, and I'm going to be using the color Khaki, and this is just my transition shade that I like to put before I put my darker color into my crease. Going back into my Profusion palette, I'm going to be using the color Deep Sea, and this is pretty much just a little bit of a turquoise color, and I'm putting this into my crease because I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be putting a top darker layer over this, and everything is just going to blend out evenly in the end. For my lid, I'm going to be going in with this flat brush, and I'm going to be taking the darker shade, and this is called Cocktail. No, this is actually called Cobalt. I didn't even know that was a word, but anyway, I'm putting this onto my lid, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid and build it up to the intensity that I do like. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to just go ahead and brush into my crease and just blend the lid color into my transition color and just make everything blend out evenly. For concealer today, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Paris Visible Lift, and this is actually in this color Fair. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner, and this is in the color Charcoal. I have to say, to really get the hold of a wing liner is like concentration. Like this is literally like hardcore math. Like I literally had to get this down to a science, and I was just like making it a little bit too pointy, putting it in a different direction. So it really takes a lot of time to really actually get your wing liner to really look sleek as hell.
Strictly instrumentals. Strictly instrumentals.
For contouring today, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. contour palette, and I have been using this for as long as I can remember. I'm really trying to get into other contour palettes, but I just can't seem to get away from this e.l.f. palette. Like, I'm obsessed. For mascara, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline New York Great Lash. I have been obsessed with this mascara for as long as I can remember. I was into the Great Lash from Maybelline. I think it was the purple tube. I'm not really sure if that's the right name, but I used to be in love with that, but it just made my eyelashes real clunky, and I really didn't like that. For eyelashes today, I'm not sure what these were called, but I got them from the dollar store, and I'm pretty sure they're just regular lashes, but these are actually in the style Dolly. For lips today, I'm going to be going in with my lip liner from Profusion. I'm not really sure what the name is because there wasn't one on the pencil. And for lips, I'm going to be going in with my Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. I really do like this, but it was a little bit too matte for me, so I had to go over it with my lip gloss. And my favorite lip gloss in this whole wide world is the Nana Coco lip gloss, and this is in the color Angel Wings. I'm super obsessed with this. I feel like it can cover any kind of matte lip that you're going to be using. Like, it's a must to get. For highlighter, I'm going to be going in with the color Spoon, and this is actually a highlighter from the collection from ColourPop. And that is it for this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. If you like this video, comment below and let me know what other looks you would like for me to do. Until next time, I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye.